Welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic, where I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar within the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and once you are in the main menu, go into the Extras option at the top section. From here, go into User Information, and then you will need to enter the User Details page. Once you are inside this page, tap on the Edit User Information option, and now you can change your avatar right away. Once you enter the avatar menu, you will see various different stickers or avatars that you can choose from. Just make your desired selection and then choose the background as well. After choosing both your avatar and background, it will immediately be applied to your profile. You can now go back and start playing your matches, and your profile will immediately have this avatar shown. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your avatar on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.